So in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the search feature on the mobile app. So the search feature on the mobile is designed not to give you an entire access to the entire system. It's just for technicians to be able to see only the jobs that were assigned to them or previously assigned to them that might have been closed out. They will have access to that. However, if you're a manager or you're CEO of the company, we can enable it so that you can have full access to the entire system. But just keep that in mind that as a technician, you're only seeing or be able to search the jobs that were previously assigned to you. So with that, once you're logged into the mobile app, it's very easy to get to the search. It's pretty straightforward. Bottom right hand corner, you just click on the search icon for the dark blue and that will take you into the search. There's nothing else to do here but just type into a text box what it is that you want to actually find. So with that, you just type in, in this particular case, I'm going to type in Royal because I know that I had a customer like this that was assigned to me before, so ROYAL, and it will quickly do a search and pull up that particular job. So in this particular case, I only have one job that was from the Royal Interior Science Fair. So if I click on details, that will take me into the full details of the job itself. So every single thing from that particular point is pretty straightforward and pretty standard. However, I can quickly be able to search for stuff. Now the search box is not limited to the name of company. You could search for a work order, you could search for a contact. It's a very universal search. It just gives you one text box that allows you to quickly and easily search for any information that was related to a job that was previously assigned to you in the past. So with that, hopefully that's giving you some sort of insight into how to use the search feature on the mobile as a technician. Thank you.